Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ROCGORLD R6, 12 volts DC tire inflator portable air compressor. There are features include 12 volt DC tire Inflator. This 12 volt DC tire inflator uses a vehicle cigarette lighter outlet only, giving everyday drivers a plug-in car air pump for routine tire pressure checks, road trips, and roadside top-offs. The 120-watt, 10-amp motor works with a standard 12-volt plug, built-in 15-amp fuse, 10 feet power cord, and 2 feet air hose to help reach front and rear tires on most cars. Use it as a portable air compressor stored in the vehicle for daily driving, seasonal pressure changes, and planned travel. 35-liter per minute portable air compressor, built for practical tire maintenance. This portable air compressor provides 35-liter per minute airflow and up to 100 psi maximum pressure for compatible everyday inflation needs. In testing, it inflated a 195/65 R15 tire from 0 to 35 psi in about 6.5 minutes with the vehicle engine on. Actual time may vary. A built-in small fan and cooling vents help manage heat during use, and the recommended duty cycle is up to 15 minutes of continuous operation followed by 10 minutes of rest. Automatic shut-off preset pressure. This car tire pump lets you set a target pressure before inflation, then stops when the preset pressure is reached. The plus and minus buttons make pressure adjustment simple, while the start/stop button gives direct control for routine top-offs before commuting, errands, or longer drives. The memory function helps keep the previous setting ready for repeated use, reducing pressure guesswork for drivers who want a clear and beginner-friendly tire pump for regular maintenance. Dual digital display tire pump. This car air pump shows current PSI and target PSI at the same time, so drivers can track real-time tire pressure while comparing it with the selected goal. With plus and or minus 1 PSI accuracy and 4 selectable pressure units, PSI, bar, kPa, and kilogram per square centimeters, the portable air compressor supports car tires, standard SUV tires, motorcycle tires, and bike tires. This display-focused setup helps address common concerns about unclear gauge feedback, confusing readings, and knowing when the tire is close to the preset level. Compact car air pump KIT. This compact tire pump measures 3.54 x 5.24 x 2.09 inches and weighs 1.16 pounds, making it easy to store in a vehicle, carrying bag, or roadside kit. 3 light modes: Spotlight, SOS, and Strobe, help during low-light tire checks. While the included Schrader to Presta adapter. Needle valve, long extension nozzle, short extension nozzle, spare fuse, user manual, and carrying bag support car tires, standard SUV tires, motorcycle tires, bike tires, sports balls, and swim rings for light everyday use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.